Namaste, I am Dhanashri, and in this video we will see how to use Google Drive software to save our data. Whenever we generate any data, to save that data we have to take backup of it. What if somebody is doing it for us automatically? So Google Drive software is solution for it. To use Google Drive software on your PC, first of all you have to download Google Drive. For that, go to Google Chrome and type Google Drive download. Then go to download and select either personal or business depending on your requirement. Here I am going for personal. Agree, download the software. Exe file is downloaded. Open it. So your Google Backup and Sync has successfully downloaded. Here you can see one logo for Backup and Sync. After clicking on that particular icon, one window will be open for you, and very first step is sign in. But before moving ahead, let's understand there are two ways you can take a backup. One is you can take a backup of your computer on a Google Drive, or you can take a backup of Google Drive to your computer. Assume you are working on two PCs simultaneously. One is your home PC and another is your work PC. And you want to take a backup of both the PCs, but you don't want to merge the data. In such cases, you will go for a computer to Google Drive backup. But if you want to merge the data from your home PC and work PC, then you will go for Google Drive to computer. So depending on your requirement, select any one. I will explain both the methods in detail. As a very first step, log into your Google account to which you want to take the backup or from which you want to take the backup. Enter password. And you can start with your backup. Now this is first option, means if you want to take the backup of your computer to your drive, then select this, say got it, and select the folders for which you want to take the backup. If you don't want to take a backup for all those things, just remove them and just say desktop. If you want to take a backup of such a folder which is not listed here, then go to choose folder and select the folder for which you want to take the backup. So I just want to take a backup of home PC folder. Then it will ask for a quality, whether you want to go for a high quality or original quality. It is advisable to go for original quality. If you want to take a backup of Google Photos, select this, otherwise no need. And then say next. But if you don't want to take a backup of your computer to the drive, then do not select anything from here and just say next. But I want to show you both the ways, so I am going to select at least one folder and say next. Now next step is for if you want to back up your drive folder on your computer. So if you want to merge the data from different PCs, then you will go for this option, say got it. And here it will give you two options, sync everything in my drive and sync only selected folders. Please understand, when you say sync data from drive to your computer, that much space will be occupied on your computer. So if you don't want to select everything from your drive, go for sync this folder only and select the folder which you want to sync. For example, I want to sync only test folder and then say start. If in case you don't want to go for this option, please do not select anything. I will repeat. First step is sign into your Google account. Then if you just want to take a backup of your computer to the drive, then go for step 2. And if you just want to take a backup of Google Drive to the computer, then go for step 3. For demo purpose, I am selecting both the options and say start. So you can see there is one folder created on my desktop stating Google Drive, and whichever folder I have tried to sync, that will be reflected here, and here it is getting sync. So when I was syncing my drive to my PC, synced everything from a drive. So you can see whatever is on my drive, that everything will be seen here. So I have sync test folder which is having 2 documents, and here you can see test folder having 2 documents. If I insert new document or new folder here, so let's say I will insert one new folder here, and here you can see it is syncing. Backup and sync from Google is updated. So if I'll come to my drive and refresh my page, then inside test folder you can see temporary folder. So whatever changes you are doing on your PC will be get reflected on your drive. Similarly, if I add new folder or new document here, so whatever changes I have done on the drive will be visible here. So you can see temporary 2 folder which I have created newly is visible, and temporary document which I have created just now is also visible here. So this is our document. We have also shared our computer on the drive. So if you want to see that, just go to computer, my laptop and home PC. So you can see whatever is available in home PC folder is visible in this drive. So your data from the PC is safe here. If you are working without internet, then as soon as you will start your internet, your backup and sync will start. But in case if you want to pause it, you can pause it. For that, just go in setting and say pause. So it is paused, and whenever you want to start, just say resume. Also, if you click on a first logo, then it will open a drive which is available on your PC. If you click on second logo, then it will open your drive on the web browser. And if you want to see the photos, then click on third option. If you want to take a backup from more than one account, then you can do that also. You just have to say add account, and then you can take a backup from more than one account. So here you can see I am using 2 accounts. This is my first account and this is my second account. In case if you want to quit backup, just go to quit backup, and if you want to delete your account, go to preferences, then setting and say disconnect account. And you can see the sync documents from your mobile or tab also. I hope you have understood how to save your data using Google Drive and how to access your data using Google Drive software. Thanks for watching.